Hi, LinkedIn Ads fans. Welcome to this exciting course on LinkedIn where we will be covering everything from basics to advanced. So first of all, who is this course for? So this course I have designed for marketers or for digital marketers who want to explore the world of LinkedIn advertising. So what exactly are we covering in this course? So we'll be starting up from the very basics. We'll be covering up what are the pros and cons of LinkedIn advertising, the difference between the search leads and the LinkedIn leads. Should you advertise on LinkedIn, getting admin access to your company page, getting access to the LinkedIn ads account, setting up LinkedIn Insight tag, conversion tracking, setting up your account structure, and then we will be going to something more advanced. What are the different objectives based advertising on LinkedIn? Whether you should be advertising based on website visits, lead generation, website conversion, brand awareness. What are the different targeting facets on LinkedIn? Audience attributes, matched audiences, website retargeting. What are the different ad formats? Single image ad, carousel ad, video ads, message ads. What are different types of bids and budgeting? Cost per click, enhanced cost per click, cost per view, maximum cost per impression, and what are the reporting, analytics, and benchmarking for different types of LinkedIn ads. So are you ready to take the plunge with me?